Today on the channel, it's some Legends of Boxing, fictional heavyweight fight between created fighter within the game, Jackhammer Joey Love, who's 7-0-1 to start out his career with 6 knockouts, taking on the journeyman Bill McMurray, 27 wins, 24 losses, 3 draws, 11 of his wins by knockout, in a 10-round regional title fight. First title fight for Joey Love. Let's head to the ring and get ready for today's fight. Whoops. Guess I gotta go to gameplay. There we go. So, as you see, very first fight of his career, he drew with Tyrone Ball Jr. in a 4-round fight. But since then, he has won and gotten better every fight. Next fight, he won by unanimous decision in a 6-round fight against Mark Mendez, and he has won the last 6 fights by TKO. And today, Bill McMurray, who's got a little bit of a stronger chin, will give him a little bit of more of a challenge, I think. So let's head to the ring and get ready for tonight's fight. Out of Tallahassee, Florida, 20-year-old Joey Jackhammer Love taking on the veteran journeyman fighter and regional contender from Sacramento, California, Bill McMurray. Let's
get ready to rumble!
So it looks like there is a real Bill McMurray, and they got his picture on there. This is a fictional Bill Murray, I think, or maybe it is the real Bill McMurray, because there is I'm using real fighters within the game. So here we go, round 1, and it's gonna be Love in control. And forgot to say, the Jackhammer is going in inside and elusive for Bill McMurray.
Coming forward, lands the right.
Nice hook from Love.
Right hand scores.
McMurray lands his own hook.
Misses with that straight right. Coming forward, lands the right.
The cross lands for McMurray.
Right hand scores.
Big hook there. Lands for McMurray.
Oh, a nice jab. Good exchange from these two fighters. Right hand connects. Oh, there's a step-in right hand.
A good hook by Joey Love, but McMurray comes out of that round feeling a little more confidence. And Love really was quiet for the most part. We head to round 2. He does take a TKO point. And we head to round 2, and this time Love on the inside. And McMurray goes to the outside. Big hook from Love.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Misses with that straight right.
Big uppercut from Jackhammer.
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
Another big uppercut. McMurray winces.
Right hand connects.
He is landing that uppercut.
Good exchange from these two fighters. Oh, a nice jab. Good exchange from these two fighters.
Nice combination. Love with a strong round 2. As he punished McMurray that round with some heavy shots. They don't call him Jackhammer for nothing. We head to round 3. Inside for Love and outside for McMurray again.
Oh, there's a step in right hand. Sweet overhand right. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Right hand scores. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Sweet overhand right. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. A nice 1-2 combo.
Big combination.
Whoop! There it is!
McMurray's down. 5, 6. He's taking his time. He's climbing up the ropes. He will continue here. Let's see if Jackhammer can finish him. It is over! And Joey Jackhammer Love is the new regional champion. A huge knockout win for Joey Love. TKO win. His 7th TKO or knockout of his career. And what a great performance from him. Let's try to get it. That was a short fight. We'll try to get another one in. First, we're going to do the development. Ooh, we get some development here. Let's see what we get. Increased durability by 1 step. Gonna set the new. Now we got to defend our title. Tyrone Delgadillo or Daniel Morrison. Let's see the pluses and minuses of these guys. Daniel Morrison, a little better control. Delgadillo, more of a veteran. His defense isn't the best. He doesn't have much power, but his chin is a little better. We're going to go with the veteran, Delgadillo. Morrison he's younger, more power, a little more. His chin's not quite as good, but he does have better will and TKO and control. So it's going to be Tyrone Delgadillo as we fight to defend our regional title. Let's go to the training camp. Hard call, reduce one of the following. Ugh, it's never good. Not a good training camp. So we can take our defense down 1 or our control down 1. Wow. We're going to take our defense down 1. So here we go.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Both these fighters coming out in pressure mode, out of the gate.
the right. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. There's a 1-2 combination. There's a 1-2 combination. Good exchange from these two fighters. A nice 1-2 combo. Just trying to do his best to avoid the attack. A nice 1-2 combo.
That's the end of round 1, and Joey Love with a strong first round against Delgadillo. And they're going to look at Delgadillo. They might not continue this fight. Nope, they will. They'll let it go on, as Delgadillo already taken some punishment early in this fight. We head to round 2, scheduled for 10 for the regional title.
There he blocks that. Coming forward, lands the right. There's a lead left hook. Good exchange from these two fighters. Coming forward, lands the right. Right hand scores. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but eats the punch.
Huge shot there from Love.
Coming forward, lands the right. Oh, and gets jacked on the jaw again, but eats the punch. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. There's a 1-2 combination. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Wow, what a punch!
That hook lands and puts Delgadillo down. He's up at the count of 6, but I don't think they're gonna. He's wobbly. He is on jellied legs here. Referee looks and stops this fight. No, they're saying it. The bell sounded, but they're still gonna take a look at him. Yeah, they're ending. Too much punishment here from the Jackhammer, Joey Love. And he is retaining the regional championship here. 8-0. Another regional title defense here. We could go on the national tier. Both these guys have much better chins than they're used to. Defense. Cortavius Fuentes has a 7 will, but a 2 power. Eddie Reyes. We're going to try Eddie Reyes here. Reyes has a little better defense. And a little better endurance, but we're going to try to get onto the national level here. We get 4 points for a win. And that's who we're fighting. Let's see what we do in training camp. Strategic insight. Joey has 2 additional strategy overrides during the next fight. So we'll have to remember that. Let's go one more fight here. Again, another regional title defense.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Against Eddie Reyes. Taking that step up. Joey Love 9-0-1 with 8 KOs. Going up against Eddie Reyes, 21 wins, 10 losses, 2 draws, and 11 knockouts. Here we go.
Right hand scores.
Already opened up some swelling on the right eye of Eddie Reyes.
Sweet overhand right. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Oh, there's a step-in right hand. Right hand connects. Sweet overhand right. Let him go. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Another right hand connects.
Big uppercut from Eddie Reyes.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
A nice opening round for Eddie Reyes, as Joey Love's not used to that offensive performance here by another fighter, and Reyes took it to him here in the first round. Scheduled for 10 rounds. We head to round 2, and we're going to go inside. Both fighters on the inside.
A nice 1-2 combo. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Coming forward, lands the right. Using some head movement. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Oh, and that left hand.
Big shot there from Joey Love.
Oh, there's a step-in right hand. Misses with that straight right. There's a lead left hook.
Big hook from Joey Love.
Right hand connects.
Eddie Reyes lands the uppercut as Love moves in, and that's the end of round 2. So Joey Love answers Eddie Reyes' first round with a strong second round. We head to round 3.
Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Good exchange from these two fighters. Another right hand connects. There he blocks that. Let him go. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
Eddie Reyes is bleeding quite profusely from his left eye.
Stop.
He's just trying to get through the round now.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
And that's going to do it for round 3, as Eddie Reyes is in trouble with that bloody left eye. A deep, deep cut. See what the ring doctor can do, his cut man. And now Reyes sees himself in trouble here. He's going to go all out here in round 4. Love will stay in. Actually, we should go. We don't have to do so. We're going to go outside. Try to stay away from Reyes here. He's going to try to spend all his energy trying to take him out. Round 4.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection.
Just missed that lunging left hook. Did you see how close that was?
There's a lead left hook.
Reyes missed with the hook, and Love countered with a hook of his own.
There's a lead left hook.
Another big hook from Love.
Sticks the jab. Oh, and a nice right hook there. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Oh, there's a step-in right hand.
Nice finish to the round for Eddie Reyes. But did not do what he had hoped to do, which was take Love out of the match. But he did exude a lot of energy, and that's going to take him into level 1 fatigue. And that means his defense goes to a 1. And his control. Anyways, inside for Reyes, outside for Love, and we're going to go back inside, I think. Alright, here we go, round 5.
Oh, wow. Jesus.
My goodness gracious.
My gosh.
That's inappropriate to say the
That's
least.
assault, you guys.
Referee stops the fight. Reyes is getting admonished for the low blow. We continue.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Oh, wow. Jesus.
My goodness gracious.
My gosh.
That's inappropriate to say the
That's
least.
assault, you guys.
And now they stop the fight, and Love is getting talked to and warned about his low blow.
Right hand scores. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Right hand connects. Another right hand connects. Just trying to do his best. There's a 1-2 combination.
Eddie Reyes with a solid round, a way to finish it off, as he landed some nice body shots there at the end of that round. Strong finish to the round. We head to round 6, and this is anyone's fight right now. But Reyes still has to be careful with that left eye. Round 3, or round 6, I'm sorry. Love on the outside, Reyes on the inside.
Oh, a nice jab. Flashes the jab.
Love snapping that jab off the left eye of Reyes, trying to reopen that cut.
Oh, a nice jab.
Another jab.
Just missed that lunging left hook. Did you see how close that was?
Another right hand connects. The double jab. Right hand scores.
Accidental headbutt. Referee splits the two up. They both say they're okay. Fight continues.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
There's a shot that lands on the jaw.
And round 6 is in the books as Love gets the best, as he really attacked that cut. under the left eye of Reyes that round and got the best of Reyes. We head to round 7. Reyes going into pressure mode. Love is going to stay on the outside. Here we go.
Oh, there's a step in right
Big
hand.
hook.
Oh, and a nice right hook there. Flashes the jab.
Those little hop steps where it's kind of like a feint, you know, he feints with his feet.
Oh, there's a step in right hand. Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection.
Good exchange from these two fighters.
Just trying to do his best to avoid the attack. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw.
Quiet round as Love let Reyes pretty much punch himself out. He's going to go into level, what is it? Is he going to level 3? In fatigue? His chin has gone down to a 4. His will is down to a 4. And he is going to go on the inside. Will it let me change? Nope, not anymore. So outside for Love.
Unloads 2 jabs and goes downstairs to the midsection. Oh, and a nice right hook there.
Reyes is getting some heck of a good dice rolls here.
Oh, a nice jab.
Woo! Now there's blood trickling above the right eye of Reyes.
A nice 1-2 combo. There's a 1-2 combination.
Eddie Reyes fighting for his life. He has really been a pain in Joey Love's. It's definitely Joey Love's toughest fight to this date.
Sweet overhand.
Big hook!
Oh, and that left hand. There's a 1-2 combination. Right hand scores.
Hitting after the bell, Reyes is getting warned from the referee, and Love finishes strong that round. Landed a huge hook, had Reyes on the ropes, but he's unable to take him out, and Reyes lives to see another round. We head to round 9. I would have to think that Love has the slight edge here. And now, Reyes' chin's down to a 3. Joey Love has reached level 1 fatigue. His defense and his power have gone down. Round 9.
Just missed that lunge and left hook. Did you see how close that was?
There's a 1-2 combination.
Let him go.
Oh, and a nice right hook there. Sweet overhand right. Right hand scores. Coming forward, lands the right. Oh, and a nice right hook there.
And now Reyes has just opened a big cut over the right eye of Joey Love. And Love now in trouble. It's the 10th and final round. Craziness here in this regional title bout. Reyes trying to come all the way back. He's a bloody heap, but he's got Love in some serious trouble.
There's a 1-2 combination.
Big double hook from Love.
There he blocks that.
There's a wild hook, misses.
There's a 1-2 combination. Oh, there's a shot that lands on the jaw. Right hand scores. Sweet overhand right.
Let him go.
Just missed that lunge and left hook. Did you see how close that was?
Good exchange from these two fighters.
And that's it. Joey Love, though, tried to leave no doubt in the referee or judge's minds as he punished Reyes there in the final round. Reyes gets through the fight, surprisingly, with those cuts. He was able, good job by the cutman in his corner. We head to the official result. I think it's going to be unanimous in favor of Joey Love, but we will not know until we see the scores. Judge 1 had it 96-95 Love, 96-94. It's a split decision, and Love is still the regional champion. Wow, closer than I thought. Judge 2 had it in favor of Eddie Reyes. So, Joey Love, definitely his toughest fight so far, and he responded with a strong final 10th round there to really, that pretty much, I mean, if he didn't win that last round, that probably would have been even or in favor of Reyes. That could have changed the fight. So he met adversity head on and pulls away to win the fight. Joey Jackhammer Love goes to 10-0-1 with 8 knockouts. Let's check the physical development. 19 is going to be not the 1 to 4. Physical stage, nothing. Next opponent, it's a mandatory against the number 1 contender. And even Lamana, 9-2-1. He is coming up the ranks alongside Joey Love. And he is a mean old cuss. But he's going to give Jackhammer all kinds of trouble. They're going to take it. Let's do training camp. I'm not going to fight this fight on this video, but business as usual. So there you have it. Up next, the 20-year-old Joey Love taking on Evan Lamana in a mandatory title defense. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next episode. Take care.